These are some new apps that are worth checking out on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Starting off with the number one app, and this is Compass. You'll be asking why install another Compass app when we have the stock one? Well, this Compass app first of all has a nice and modern design. Second, you can add points in this Compass app. This is really handy if you are out for trekking. This app is available for free on Google Play Store. And by the way, if you are interested in these high quality watch straps, just check out the link down in description. Next app that I have is Wrist Tool. As the name says, this app has a lot of tools that you can try out. For example, first we have tip calculator. Just enter your amount, adjust the tip percentage, and this is the amount that you have to pay. Then we have a unit converter with this app that converts length, weight, volume, temperature, pressure, and speed. In the end, currency converter and calculator are also present here. So give this app a try. This is one handy app that you shouldn't miss out. For the last app, I have few coupon codes that are available for giveaway. This is a Speedometer app that uses your GPS location to tell about speed. You can change units by swiping to the left. And as you can see that, you can change units by tapping here. We also have some color options for the digit highlighted here. This app offers some premium features like top speed, average speed, position and signal accuracy. For coupons, just comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.